Hi friends, welcome to our channel Chem Achievers. I am Pranish. Today I am discussing about some little more about regarding proline catalyst asymmetric reactions. Actually, this is the continuation of the previous video. Just one example I have to explain because this example will come maybe next exam. It is my opinion because 2-3 examples are more really common in some books, and that you have to understand means next exam it will come. Okay. So you just follow these steps here. Here I took one example. See, this is this example. This is acetone, and this is isopropylaldehyde and proline I used, and then this is the product. So you means here third asymmetric product will come, which is this up position. So that is the mainly important. So here see, here you can easily identify which ketone of this which ketone will go to the reduction. Okay, see here this ketone will reduction because here this adjacent carbonyl become this type of these things. Okay, see, see here it will go. Okay, and now I have to explain, and this will form, this acetone will form enamine with this proline. Okay, this always we use the S proline, not L proline. Okay, S proline is very good. Okay, chiral catalyst. Okay, so this I used for S proline, and this is this product. Okay, now I have to little more give an idea about the mechanism, because this mechanism is very important. So you have to see what will be the mechanism. Here this is this proline. Proline means proline. This is the proline with attached to this keto group. This here, this is this acetone. No, this acetone it will form, and this is the enamine. Here see, enamine will form. Here double bond, and here enamine will form. That enamine I directly wrote here. Okay, and then RCH. RCH is any aldehyde. That in this reaction aldehyde is this. No, isopropyl aldehyde. So that group I taken as a R. You already saw, no? That group I R, because every time in this transition state I never wrote like that. Okay, so this is this transition state. See here R is keto, this R is this isopropyl group, so that's why it is NT, and this is this moiety. So this aldehyde, because in this transition state you see I already told that every time whatever the transition state form always is a chair form. Okay, always 6-member chair form that will happen, because this is this methyl group. See, this methyl group is this methyl group, this methyl group. So this is keto. So it will come and it will attack there. So it will attack this ketone. That why I written that, and it will come, and this keto will chelation with these two protons. This proline acid group is there na, in this upside, that will be chelation. So that will decide the stereochemistry, because this proline is very big group. This proline, this amino acid part is very big here. So it will always in down, and whatever the attack will come na, so it will up. If it is reverse also there, but generally this isopropyl group is up. So that's why it will come and it will attack, and that will be chelation by in this group. So what will be the product I wrote? If you wrote this, if RIL wrote, and this will be up because it is bottom side attack. Okay, so then this will come, and this will be the this aldehyde portion. This will be the what will the what is this aldehyde portion? You have to see this double bond. See, here it is there. So this I wrote, and this double bond I wrote, and this N, and that is normal. So so this is the product, and this is down. So if it is hydrolyzed, if you give the hydrolyze of this reaction, so it will give the final product. What will be the final product? So isopropyl I wrote, and then what I wrote? This is this wedge up, and this what will, this is the methyl group. Previously I wrote product, no? This is the keto. So this is this final product of this So you see, every time you have to write this kind of transition state and you have to visualize these things, and what will be the product. Why it is up? Because it is up, so it is chelation with upside with this keto group, and whatever the enamine will attack, it will be the it will attack by downside, and that whatever the relative stereochemistry of ketone will be up and it will become alcohol. Alcohol will upset alcohol. So this now I am discussing about a very important aldol reaction, asymmetric aldol reaction. It is called Evans aldol. Actually, it is very common name reaction in organic chemistry because Evans, he developed the chiral auxiliaries. Actually, whatever the recent organic chemistry use some asymmetric chiral auxiliary, actually he is the father of developing this kind of chiral auxiliary. He developed different type of oxylodine ring. It is called oxylodine, different with different substituted, and that different substitution give a selectively chiral compound and with high yield, high enantiomeric access yield. So this aldol has a many application, and so I have to go through some of this example of this Evans aldol. You have to carefully see, and if you haven't doubt after this Evans aldol, you can go through our channel and ask in comment box whatever you want to know that regarding of these things. Okay, now I have to explain. See, this is, I took one aldehyde with chiral auxiliary. This is one type of chiral auxiliary. It developed by scientist Evans in 1970s. Okay, and this, what is this? He used this type of auxiliary for aldol reaction because he wants to selectivity. If this auxiliary, I already told about this my first portion of this video, that what is the chiral auxiliary and what is the purpose. So for understanding purpose, I took this example because you have every time in this question they have been give Evans aldol, but you every time you not drawing the 6-member transition state, I will show, but you have to learn some short tricks about that. Okay, see this, and this sodium, this is called NaHMDS. You already know this. This is one base, strong base, and this is allylic. This is some allyl halide, and I want to this one. So here I used one short tricks for your purpose, and as well as I have to explain the stereochemistry. See, here methyl and here is pH. So what will happen here? Base will taken which proton? This proton. Here is 2 proton are there, so one will taken, and what will be the product? This is the product. Okay, so this is the product of Evans aldol reaction. So here this group is always what? This group is always down. I wrote previously, I wrote up, but it is always down. Why? This is the question. Why it is not up? Because in transition state, this oxazolidine ring, this chiral auxiliary in a transition state, it will be up, and whatever the electrophile will be attacked by this nucleophile, it will be down. So it will always in down. So here I will give you one short tricks. Whenever you see this kind of group attached to oxazolidine ring is up, here or here, generally here because it is near to there, so it is steric interaction will there, and that's why it will go to down. Here if it is up, whatever the upcoming group here, it always be down, and whatever the here group is down and whatever the upcoming group is up, that always you remember. It is easy formula, because don't write every time is transition state, but I will explain by another example. Here I wrote another example of the Evans aldol reaction, but you have to see. This is chiral auxiliary, you know already. This is some part from SSMT. And what will be the product? Here you see this ditetrabutyl boron triplet, why it is using, and this is aldehyde, and why it is using, and this is base, you know why it is using. That is the main important function. Actually this base ultimately what it will generate? It will generate enolate. What is enolate? Enolate means in or all, or if this oxygen in enol, you know enol means you this know this is enol. One alcohol or in group adjacent is there, it is called enol. And what is enolate? This will, if in presence of H here any R group is there, it is called enolate. Actually I will discuss after some videos, I will give enolate chemistry, but for this reaction you have to little know about that. See here this will used, actually it was this adjacent, and in adjacent to group it is R, it will be form ester with oxygen group. Okay, see, and this is base. So what is the main function? Here you see, here is 2 proton. So this base, I wrote this base will take 1 proton, no, and it will come there and it will come there and it pick up something, this protection is there. So what it will protect? It will take what? It will take this one, this BU2, this it will take, no, na, this it will take from this base. This one will take and this BBU, no, and it will take this proton. So what is the final? And it will come like that. This is oxazoline ring, no, I will write that chiral auxiliary, it is, I wrote like that, and CH I wrote, it like I wrote CH because it is chiral. And what will be the product? You see, I think you know, see this UBVU2 and then this one and this one. Now very important factor is there. Here see 2 group will come because that will attack this aldehyde group and it will attack what? This pH, this one, this is K2 and this is H. It will ultimately it will come and it will attack. And what is the relative stereochemistry, that will decide by this group. See, I already told if any group is there, it will be down. So there is 2 chances possibility because this alcohol will form, na. First one is these 2 chances, one is cis alcohol or trans alcohol, but that depend on this in this enolate. It is called enolate, no, en or olate. So that will depend on this, because this kind of protecting group will always give cis enolate. What is this? Cis enolate. If I will explain further in enolate chemistry what kind of reagent will form cis enolate and what kind of reagent will form trans enolate. So here this boron type, this type of boron, tertiary butyl cis enolate, every time it will form, and whatever the resulting product will come to cis but downside because of this, or and cis because of this stability of this enolate. But what type of enolate that will form? That is the 2 important things here you have to remember. Again I will repeat, this base and this type of protecting group form cis enolate and what resulting product would be cis, and this oxazoline ring here R group, this sterically up group is up, so in transition state it will give down product. So cis and down. Okay, this is the main, this is the transition state of this previous reaction. Whatever I wrote already, this is this oxazoline ring and this is the sterical group, and see this is the aldehyde and this is the enolate, this is enolate, no, you know, this is BBU attached, and it is attached with that, and it also chelating with this both of this thing, and it will be up, no. So this enolate will come here as by down because it is up, this is sterical. So see this BBU is also down, so it is up. Here this group is up and it is down, so this aldehyde also go down, and whatever this enolate will come, na, see, and it will attack here, it will come and it will attack by downside, so that's why it go to down. Understood? And it is always preferred to cis enolate because it is cis, it stabilizes this double bond as a cis way, so it will be cis alcohol. Okay, another example of Evans Halter, but this is little bit different from previous one, so you have to check here. See, this is this one chiral auxiliary contain starting material, and this is I here use not a this is magnesium chloride as a salt. This is TMSCl, this is protecting group, this is aldehyde, and this is after this will come. Okay, one thing very interesting is there, you just carefully see, whenever I use this kind of salt and this is this protecting group, previously what will happen, base will take this proton here, proton is there, that will come and that will come and that will go to be protected by this TMS. Okay, now you already know these things already, this inhaler TMS. And see what is the function of this magnesium chloride, that is the mainly important. This magnesium chloride, what is the main function of this magnesium chloride, that is the very important thing. Okay, and this magnesium chloride is what it is doing, it will here see what is the final product, here OTMS is there. Okay, and magnesium chloride, what it will do, it will chelate to both of these, it chelate both of this oxygen. Previously it base will take the proton, it will form enolate and this oxygen will stabilize OTMS, and magnesium chloride it will form both of this chelate. Understood? And one enolate is generating now in this step. You have to see, if I writing the enolate here, if I writing, see, if I writing enolate here, OTMS. Okay, this is the keto and this is the chelation of magnesium. Okay, so this enolate, see, this enolate, this type of salt is form trans enolate. Here is enolate is forming na, it is forming trans enolate. So what will be the product will form, that will be always is trans. See, here is trans, and this stereochemistry is like that only. If you draw the transition state like the previous one, so you have to get you have to arrange this oxazolidine ring with magnesium salt as a trans manner, so that will the give this trans alcohol. That is the main important function. See, this kind of salt you will give trans alcohol, trans enolate. After this trans enolate will form, it will give the trans alcohol, but this group is not up and this group is up, that is the difference. No, here what is chiral auxiliary used, that group attached to this one is down, no, so that will be down, and this in presence of magnesium salt, it will be the transforming, so overall attack it will give the down, because this is very steric, less steric group methyl. If you write this magnesium salt like way, and if you arrange this chiral auxiliary is this way, so overall it will be what, it will be down only. So that is the main difference about previous reaction and that reaction. If you study further about this thing, you have to go through your book, or you have to study with this book different examples, because whatever the special and important example that I chose and I explained here, that is the main thing. And if you want to study further, you have to go through different organic chemistry.